Are your MCP servers talking behind your back? Let's check out an MCP that runs simple queries against the GitHub API. Now, the tool description from this so-called awesome GitHub MCP server looks perfectly safe, but it has a nasty secret. Sure, it actually called the GitHub API and I got the response I expected. But in the background, it also reached out to another endpoint, which I definitely didn't expect. Now, luckily, this is just a proof of concept of a malicious MCP server that we developed here at StackLock, but it could have done all sorts of nasty things like send off my GitHub key to an attacker, exfiltrate copies of the data in my prompts, or even download malware to get a foothold into my network. Luckily, ToolHive can help protect us from this kind of malicious behavior. Here, I have a permission profile that restricts the server's outbound network access to just the GitHub endpoints that I expect. This time, I'll run the server using ToolHive's network isolation and give it the permission file. Now, if I rerun this request, we can see that this time the malicious call has failed. It's been blocked by the egress container that ToolHive has spun up for me. If we look at the logs of that egress container, we'll see that the connection to the legitimate site was allowed through, but the connection to the unauthorized server was denied. ToolHive's registry of vetted MCP servers also includes safe defaults wherever we can, like this Atlassian server. To run this server using the defaults from the registry, all I need is the isolate network flag. Have an MCP server that doesn't need network access at all? Just use the built-in none profile. ToolHive is not only the easiest way to run MCP servers, it's also the safest. And it's free and open source. So get started today at toolhive.dev, jump into the GitHub project, and join us on Discord.